You can start, sir.
Yes, sir. You may please start, sir.
Good evening, students.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening,
Uh,
sir.
Good evening. Okay. In the last class, what we have discussed the nomenclature of the cyclic compound. Okay. So we have discussed few points, and let's start with the next point. Okay. This was sixth A and B. Then let's go for the seventh one. Okay. So let's start with the seventh point. So if any of the compound is containing alicyclic ring, which is directly bonded to the benzene ring. So two things are there. One is condition is that alicyclic ring is directly bonded with benzene ring. Bonded with benzene ring. Okay, so this condition is. So it will be named as derivative of benzene. So benzene will considered as the main chain. So let's do example. So this is the alicyclic ring in which one CH3 group is attached. Along with that, a directly bonded benzene ring is present. And along with the benzene, I'm adding one more group, that is NO2. So in this particular case, you can see directly that alicyclic ring is bonded with a benzene containing the nitro group. Okay, nitrogen dioxide at the end, so that is known as nitro group. So how we do the naming in this particular case? So first, you'll do the naming of, see here, this benzene ring is considered as the parent chain or parent compound. So it will named at the last. So that's why we are saying it as benzene derivative. We will say it as benzene derivatives. Okay, so remember this thing. So how we'll do the numbering? First, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth position, NO2 group is present. Okay, and then fifth and sixth carbon, that is benzene. Okay, but in what about the alicyclic ring? This left side is known as alicyclic compound. So in this alicyclic, you will do the numbering in such a way that the side chain must be nearer. So this will be the 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 6 carbon, it means hex. Okay, so how you will do the naming? Just look at. On the first position of benzene, this particular alicyclic ring is connected. So we'll write 1 outside. Then at the second position, we have what? We have CH3. So it will be 2 methyl. Okay. Then cyclic compound is present. So it will be
2-methyl ethyl.
2-methyl cyclohexyl. Why hexyl? Because 6 carbon is present and it is considered as side chain. So that's why I'm ending this particular name with YL. So it is 1-2-methyl cyclohexyl. But still, what about this? On the fourth position, nitro group is present. So 4, then dash, nitro. And at the last, you'll name it benzene.
Benzene.
So the name is 1-2-methyl cyclohexyl 4-nitrobenzene. So whenever there is a condition in which this alicyclic ring is directly bonded to the benzene, then that particular compounds are known as benzene derivatives. And in this case, what you will do the numbering in such a way that if side chain is present or a double bond is present, if a side chain or a double bond is present, you will write that particular, you will do numbering in such a way that it will come the near, it will come the nearer. While in case of benzene, benzene is considered as the parent chain, so it will be named at the end. So on the fourth position, it was nitro, so we have to write 4-nitrobenzene. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next point is 8th point. In 8th point, what you have to do, if functional group is present with other substituent group, condition is functional group is present plus substituents. Functional group plus substituent. Then you will write substituent as the prefix and then the other compound as the main chain. Okay, so just look at the example. Benzene. Then here we have, not benzene, sorry, cyclohexane, or one double bond, then cyclohexene. Then we have double bond O, then CH3, then CH3. So this is a compound. So the priority must be given to the double bond, not to the substituent. I told you earlier, functional group, double bond, triple bond, then substituent. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbering, you got it? Got my point about the numbering?
No, sir.
See, I told you what was the order? Functional group must get the first priority, then double bond, then triple bond, then substituent. So instead of going this side, why do the numbering from this particular side? Just because the double bond is nearer. Okay, so this, which group is this? That double bond O. Which group is this? Anyone? See, this is ketone. C double bond O.
Ketone.
Yeah,
Ketone.
so it is a ketone. So ketone is the functional group. So I'm doing the numbering from the ketone. The functional group got the first priority. Then instead of going right side, why I went to left side? Just because double bond is there. So double bond gets the second priority. Then we'll do the numbering in such a way that at the last we went to the substituent. So how I will do the numbering? No. How I'll do the naming? Just look at that. First, you'll write the name of substituent. On the 5th and 6th position, we have two methyl groups. Yes, methyl. Very good. Then cyclic compound.
Cyclic compound. Hexane.
Cyclo. Then hex. Not hexane. Hex. On the second position, we have double bond. Then dash 2.
In.
Very good. Then En. Then on the first position for the ketone, what is the suffix?
On.
On.
Yeah.
So it will be 1 on. So the name is 5,6 dimethyl cyclohexane 1 on. Now got my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you got my point, just tell me the name of this particular compound. Fast. From which side? From just tell me the numbering. From where I should start the numbering?
HO1.
Throw OH. Okay. 1. So left side or right side?
Right side, sir.
Right
Right
side.
Just because substituent is present, there is no double bond, so we'll go for the right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now tell me the name.
1,2 methyl.
Why?
3.
One.
So 3-methyl cyclohexane.
3 methyl. Very good. So just because on the third position we have CH3, 3 methyl. Then
Hex.
cyclo.
Yeah, so
Then
cyclohex.
hexane 1
1
on.
On.
Got it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Which point now? Next point. Okay, 9th point. Okay, 9th point. If alicyclic compound is containing directly the functional group, direct functional group. For example, like this. Then CN is known as carbonitrile. Okay. So in this case, the name will be cyclohexane. First, I'll write the name of this, and at the last, I will write carbonitrile. This is not that much important. Just remember the name. That's it. This is not that much important. Okay. But if something happened like this, then what you have to do, you have to write the name of cyclic compound and then just write the name of whatever the aldehyde, cyanide, or amide, whatever is present. Okay. Just try. Let me give you one more example. Then here CHO. Then here CONH2. Okay. If I'll add, okay, just let it be. Now tell me the name. First one. First name of the cyclic compound.
Cyclic hexane.
Cyclohexane, not hexyl. Cyclohexane, full. And CHO is known as carbaldehyde.
Aldehyde.
Okay. What about this one? Cyclohexane, same,
Cyclohexane.
or carboxamide. Carboxamide. Okay. So I'll give you one table. I will provide you one table. Okay. So in that particular table, you'll get the suffix and the prefix in a particular way. On the left hand side, it will be written as suffix, and on the right hand side, it will be written as prefix. Suffix and prefix, you'll get both. So I'll tell you and I'll forward it to you. Okay. Next, let's move with the nomenclature of simple aromatic compound. See, generally aromatic compound, you have to remember the name. There is no that much complicated in that, and you have to remember. You have more, instead of IUPAC, just go for the common name. That will be more important. Okay, so I will write every compound name along with this structure. Just at least note down in your notebook whatever you are making. Just make it same as it is I'm doing. Okay, simple aromatic compounds. So first aromatic compound we have to take as benzene only right now. Okay, later on I'll teach you how to find whether the compound is aromatic, whether the compound is aromatic or non-aromatic or anti-aromatic, whatever it is. Okay, so first organic that aromatic compound we will take as benzene. What is the formula of benzene?
No.
C6H6. Benzene formula is C6H6. Okay. Okay. So if any of the compound is written over here, for example R, so this is considered as side chain, and this particular compound is known as ring or nucleus. Okay. Clear? Second thing.
sir.
If any of the compound, just imagine A is written over here. If A is there, so this position is known as ortho, this position is known as meta, this position is known as para. In front of meta, again it's meta, in front of ortho, it's again ortho. So you can remember like OMP, not OMG, it's OMP, ortho, meta, and para. First ortho, then meta, then para. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm making one compound. Tell me, it's ortho, it's para, or meta? This one. OMP. This is ortho or meta or para?
Ortho.
Ortho. Okay, if I'll do like this,
Ortho.
this one.
Meta, sir.
Okay, and this one.
Para.
I haven't drawn.
No, sir.
And here, yeah, this is para.
Para.
Now you guys are quite smart, huh? Before making this, before I make this structure, you were telling me the names. Very good. Okay. So if benzene is there and one bond is empty, or you can say nothing is bonded on that particular position, now it is considered as phenyl. Okay. If benzene and one CH2 group is attached and one valency of this carbon is still empty or vacant, you'll say at benzyl. If one CH and two valencies are vacant, then it is considered as benzyl.
Benzene.
If only one is remaining, then you'll consider it as benzo.
Benzo.
So these are side chain derivatives. Okay. Clear? Clear? You
Yes,
have to
sir.
remember that
Yeah.
if one CH2, one valency empty, then benzyl, two valency, benzyl, three valency, benzo. You can add anything on that particular thing. For example, I'm writing benzene, then CH2 and OH. Now it is known as benzyl alcohol. Just because of that particular side, the empty vacancy is occupied by OH now. Okay. So sort of this you can do. Now let's start with the different functional group nomenclature of aromatic compound, but different compounds. Okay, so first I'm taking a criteria or category of hydrocarbons. In case of hydrocarbons, okay, whatever I'm doing, just note it down. Benzene, this one is benzene. If I'll add CS3, then it is known as methyl benzene, or the name is toluene. Okay, if benzene, then CH2, CH3, two carbon are present, then it is known as ethyl benzene. We don't have any common name over here. Okay, if here one CH3 and here one CH3, then how you'll do the naming? You'll do the naming in such a way like 1 and 2. First and second position, then 1, 2 dimethyl
Methyl benzene.
benzene. Clear? Okay, tell me the name of this compound.
One comma three
Hmm.
dimethyl benzene.
Okay, 1, 3 dimethyl benzene. This one, next
One
one,
comma
1,
4
4. Yeah, dimethyl benzene. Okay,
benzene.
this one,
1 comma 3 comma 5 comma
uh,
methyl
trimethyl
trimethyl benzene.
benzene. See, you guys are very smart. Just remember the common name now. So, if 1, 2 dimethyl benzene, the common name is orthoxylene. In case of 1, 2 1, 3, then it is known as metaxylene. In 1, 4, that is known as paraxylene. XYLENE. In case of 1, 3, 5, it is known as mesitylene. MESITYLENE. Who is Messi? Who is Messi?
Football player.
Very good. You like football?
Only for Ronaldo, sir.
Only for Ronaldo. Hey. Very nice. Okay. Okay. Apart from this, ever if anyone watched that movie Oppenheimer? Anyone? There's a movie totally based on science. Just go through it. Very nice. You'll see very You see all the sign, all the type of things, atomic
Released in
bomb, hydrogen.
2023.
Huh? Which one?
Released in 2023.
Yeah, it was very nice. See, go for it. You'll learn lots of things in that. There was a scientist, Heisenberg was there, and lots of scientists was there. Einstein was also seen in that, but not the real one, but the fake one. And the telecast was very nice. So just go through it. Okay. Some things what you have to remember when the two benzene rings are joined together like this. We named as naphthalene. Okay, if three benzene rings are joined together, it is known as anthracene. Third condition, three benzene ring, but one above. Then it is known as phenanthracene. Okay, you can draw them. And naphthalene, I think you have heard. Naphthalene balls. Why we use naphthalene balls? See, when there is change, when there is change in weather, what we used to do, we used to put up small balls in our clothes while putting them inside almirah. So why? Just because so that there will be no germs and all sort of this. People say like this. Okay. Second category is halogen derivative. Hydrocarbons finish, then halogen derivatives. So if I'll go for the halogen derivative, benzene, above it we have Cl. So you'll write first the name of Cl. Cl is known as chloro, then benzene. Easy? Benzene, then here we have CS3, then we have Cl. Can anyone tell me the name of this particular compound? I told you just 1 minute ago that whenever there's benzene with CS3, we say it as this one, toluene.
Toluene.
So 1, 2, second position Cl, so 2 chloro. At the last, what you'll add? Toluene.
Toluene.
Or you can write ortho chloro toluene. Okay, what about this case?
One comma two dichloro.
Yeah,
Benzene.
1, 2 dichloro benzene. That's it. 1, 2 dichloro benzene.
Benzene.
Okay, this one. Yes, first. Remember these three: benzyl, benzyl, benzo. So in first case, benzene CH2Cl. This is benzyl chloride. This one, benzyl chloride. This one, benzo chloride. So just remember those things also. Okay. Next, third category. I'm putting 1, 2, ABC. Okay. C category, hydroxy derivative. Hydroxy derivatives. Benzene Above it, when we have OH, we consider it as phenol. Okay. Benzene. Above it, I have CH2OH. Anyone name it fast? Otherwise, I'll beat you now. Literally, I'll
Benzyl
come there. Second one,
benzyl
Benzyl
alcohol.
alcohol.
benzyl alcohol. Very good. Okay, next, this one.
Benzo alcohol.
Benzo alcohol. One,
Huh?
two, ben, 1,2 benzene alcohol.
Benzo alcohol.
One.
Benzo
Benzene.
alcohol.
1 methyl
Benzene.
2 benzo
1
alcohol.
methyl, 2 benzene. 2 alcohol benzene.
Which one is having the more priority, CH3 or OH?
CH3.
CH3.
Methyl.
Uh-huh. You are not
Functional
revising.
group, no, sir. Sir, functional group. OH.
OH.
Functional group having the more priority. How you're... What happened? 1, 2. It will be 2 methyl. And when something comes, when there's benzene with OH, we call it as phenol. 2 methyl phenol. Very good. This is also known as orthocresol. This is the common name. Very nice. Now I can see your progress. Benzene. Then let OH. OH. Now I told you one rule. If both are the same functional group, then you'll not give priority to anyone. Now how you'll write the name?
1,2 diphenol.
1,
1,
2
1, 2 diphenol. Wow. Okay, next one. Huh?
2 methyl.
Methyl. Where is CH3?
1, 2 dialcohol benzene.
What? When OH group comes at the prefix, what we use?
All.
In prefix, we use all. What happened, my babies?
Sir, we will use hydroxy.
Yes, we have to use hydroxy. 1, 2 dihydroxy. And at the last, you'll write benzene. I told you when same functional group are present, you will not give priority to any of the one. Clear now? And when it comes hydroxy, when prefix, all when suffix. Remember that. And the common name is catechol. Okay, one more example I'm giving. Just 2 minutes for you.
1,3 dihydroxybenzene, sir.
1,
1,
3
3
Dihydroxybenzene.
dihydroxy
Benzene.
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 1,
Okay.
4 1, 4
Uh,
di
1, 4. Then dihydroxy
Benzene.
benzene.
benzene. Very good. See? Then next. Okay. Common name. Resorcinol. resorcinol. This common name is hydroquinone.
Hydroquinone.
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move. Then we have D, ether. Benzene. See, it is same as we were doing in the alkyl one. OCH3, then this. So I told you in the normal alkyl one that O will go with having the lesser number of carbon. So its name will be methoxybenzene. Common name, just remember, anisole. Okay, the next compound, benzene, you have to give the name, okay? O, CH2, CH3. And last, benzene, O, then benzene.
Ethoxybenzene.
Very good. Ethoxybenzene. This one, see both benzene.
Phenoxybenzene.
Very good. Phenoxybenzene. A common name is phenol. Clear? See, all example is given in the book. If you are following the book, that Canage book. Okay, so you'll get all the examples there. So I am explaining everything. You can go through that also. Aldehyde and ketones. Same as we were doing in that particular book. That is benzene having CHO, benzene having COCH3. Okay, I'll do two. Just tell me. Okay, one more is there. Benzene, C double bond O, single bond, benzene. Okay, when benzene is present with the aldehyde, we consider as benzaldehyde. Benzene with COCH3, you have to write this methyl, then benzene, phenyl,
Benzene.
then
Benzene.
ketone. Methyl, phenyl, ketone. See, first methyl, then phenyl, then we'll go for the CO, that is ketone. The common name is quite important, acetophenone. Okay, last one. Two benzene ring, same will do diphenyl ketone. Two benzene, just because both the carbons are same, so will not give priority to anyone. So we've considered both as a side chain, and CO we have mentioned in the last, that is ketone. Common name benzophenone. PHENONE. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move further with the F, that is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid, I'll take so much examples is there. Benzene having COOH. When benzene having the COH group, we say it as benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Then benzene, here we have CS3, here we have COH. Tell me the name. IUPAC name, okay? Remember priority order, then write the name. Yes, this one.
1,2.
Why 1,2? You have to mention the position of only one. That is methyl.
1
1,
methyl,
2 methyl.
2
COH,
methyl.
COH is the functional group. You have to give the priority to the functional group. Okay, just tell me the priority order. First priority is given to.
Benzene.
No, first priority is given to functional group.
Functional group,
Functional
double bond.
group, triple bond છે.
For functional group, double bond, then triple bond, and then substituent. So
Substituent.
CS3 is the substituent, so you have to give the numbering at the last. And you have to start
Yes,
numbering from the functional group. So 2-methyl, if COH is present on the benzene, then you say it as benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid.
Common name, toluic acid. Okay, second one. I'll kill you if you will not answer this one. Because I have told you the priority order.
2-methyl.
Where is methyl? Where is methyl?
2.
2.
Di.
What we say OH when it comes in prefix?
Hydrox.
Hydroxy.
Hydroxide.
2-hydroxy. Okay, I'll make this compound. Next page. 2-hydroxy then? Benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid.
This is also known as orthosalicylic acid. Anyone know the why we use salicylic acid? This is very common thing what we use in with the person who is having an acne prone skin. The one having the acne, pimples, we use salicylic acid face wash, we use salicylic acid gels. That's because salicylic acid depresses that acne and all. Okay, so you can use, if you are having acne, you can use a salicylic acid face wash. Okay, the next one, 3 compounds I'm making. Before answering, take your time and then answer. Yes, first one.
1,2 dicarboxy benzene, sir.
1,2
Dicarboxy benzene.
1,2 dicarboxy benzene. Okay, what else? Okay, instead of that, you can write the common name. So this can be correct, that 1,2 di, what we say, carboxylic acid when it come in this that side chain. Carboxy. So it can be 1,2 dicarboxy benzene, and it will be 1,3, it will be 1,4. But instead of that, what you will do, you will remember the common name. This is important. This is phthalic acid, PHTHALIC, phthalic acid. This is isophthalic acid. And this one is terphthalic acid. See, cute name. Phthalic acid, isophthalic acid, terphthalic acid. See, sometimes when I was learning these names, when I was doing these kind of examples, I was like, now I know lots of chemicals. I feel very blessed that I'm the king of chemicals. I know the name of this is phthalic acid, this is terphthalic acid. But later on, when I was not practicing, I became like you. I forgot everything. And when my teacher was asking, what is this? I was like, I don't know. Okay, so just revise it. Don't do the things what I did in the past. Okay, So let's go for the next category. Next category is, let's take the acid derivative. Acid derivative. So benzene with C double bond O single bond Cl. Benzene with, I'm telling you only 3 in this. Okay, you can go through the book for the more examples. COO and CH3. Okay. So this one is benzoyl chloride. This one is benzenamide. We have done this, benzamide, not benzenamide. This is benzamide, AMIDE. This is C. We have CS3, so we'll write as methyl. Since it is a ester, so it will write benzenoate. Yeah, benzoate directly. Benzoate. Okay. These 3 are quite important, so you can go for them. Next, which category? I don't know. Amino derivative. Amino derivative, benzene with NH2 group. Benzene with CH3, then NH2. Benzene with CH2, NH2. Okay, last one, you will tell, starting to, I will tell. Benzene with NH2 is known as aniline. Here, the priority is given to the CS3, then 1, 2. It will be 2-aminotoluene or orthotoluidine. TOLUIDINE. Last one. Anyone who can tell? Benzyl, benzo, benzyl. If you remember. This is benzyl condition. Benzene with CH2 and amine at the last will write benzylamine. Clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last 2. That is one you have to remember, that is sulfonic acid. What is benzene sulfonic? Benzene with SO3H. See, this SO3 is the biggest group. So we'll say it as benzene sulfonic acid. Okay. Then next and the last one is nitro derivative. Nitro compound or nitro derivative you can use. Benzene with NO2 and benzene with one NO2 and another NO2. Okay, first one is known as nitro and benzene. Second one, tell me. It will be considered as nitro. Okay, even if it's suffix or prefix. No prefix will be there for the nitro group. It will always come in the suffix. But 2 nitro groups are present. So it will be 1, 2, 3. 1, 3.
Comma 3. Di.
Yes.
Dinitro.
Dinitro. Then
Benzene.
Benzene.
and it is also known as M, dinitrobenzene. Why M?
Because
Why
it is
M?
meta.
It is meta. Very good. So we are talking about the that meta compound. Okay. So these are the derivative. These are the IUPAC of cyclic compound. These are the IUPAC of aromatic compound. Let's do a mixture, and then we will wind up the class, and IUPAC will be finished. Okay. Today IUPAC will be done, and tomorrow morning we'll start with the bond fission, electrophiles, nucleophiles, and then we'll go for the electrical effect, that is inductive effect. So we'll start with the topics. IUPAC will be done, and I will take class on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday you will have your chemistry class by Tepashri ma'am, and she will teach you thermodynamics. She was teaching you thermodynamics, I think, and probably you have completed some of the portion of that particular chapter. So we'll continue like this. Okay, so let's do a mixture from the next page. Okay, I'm making the compounds. You have to tell me the name. Okay, we'll do few examples. You can make them in your notebook and start doing it, and just tell me the answers. First, the priority order you have to remember them.
So,
Wait. Last compound I'm making. Then we'll start. Let's start. First one.
so I have a doubt.
Yeah.
If we, have priority to functional group, do we need to be right in the last?
The main functional group, the bigger one, the one having the highest priority, that will be written in the last.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. First compound. Which one is the principal group? OH or Cl?
OH.
OH. And when benzene with OH is known as phenol.
Phenol.
Yes. So
Phenol.
1, 2, chloro.
Phenol.
Phenol. Very good. Second one. Principal group, COH or NH2? COH. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Name. 4. Amino. And benzene with COH. Benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid.
Very good. Then third one. Numbering should be start from the NH2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Name. 2,
2, 3.
2, 3.
Dimethyl. Benzene with NH2 is known as aniline. Amine, not amine. Benzene with NH2 is known as aniline. Okay. Okay, this one. The numbering should be start from the COH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me the name. 2,
3.
2 bromo.
Why 2, 3? 2 bromo first.
2 bromo.
Then alphabetic order. Why 3 nitro? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. First, H.
3 nitro.
5.
2 bromo, 5 hydroxy first.
5 hydroxy. 3.
Then
3
3
nitro.
nitro.
Benzoic acid.
Benzoic acid. Very good. Just remember the alphabetic order also. Don't forget that particular thing. That is the important one. Okay. Now, numbering should be start from the NO2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me the name. 3
Chloro.
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 4-methyl.
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 Nitro, one
Nitrobenzene.
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 Nitrobenzene. Very good. Next one. OCS3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2
Yes.
Two
Chloro.
chloro,
2
2
chloro.
chloro.
4-methyl.
4-methyl.
4 methyl. Benzene with OCS3.
Benzene.
Benzene with OCS3. Where is OCS3? Benzene with OCS3.
Oxybenzene.
Not common name. Anisole.
Anisole.
Amazon.
Anisole.
Amazon.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Enjoyed?
yes sir.
This is good. Okay. Let's do 2 to 3 more examples last. Then we'll talk. Okay. Let's see. Be ready, huh? Let me complete and then you have to speak. Yes. First one. Okay, should I make more? 6 more. Okay, last 6. Confirm. NO2, NO2, NO2. And then here we have CS3 and here CS3. Okay, last. These are the 5 last. Okay, first one.
4 anisole benzaldehyde, sir.
Same. How? One you have to take at.
One anisole.
See, if you are first see the priority order. CHO is having the more priority, so you do the numbering from 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. But
Four.
if more bigger or more priority functional group is present, then you will write another functional group as the side chain. So in the side one, it is known as methoxy.
Methoxy.
So it will be 4
methoxy.
methoxy. Benzene with CHO.
Yes, sir.
Benzaldehyde.
Benzaldehyde.
Okay. Next one. Let's start numbering from Cl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 chloro.
2,
Then
4
2,
nitro,
4
nitrobenzene.
benzene.
Benzene.
Okay. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now speak. 4
Wow. 4
ethyl.
ethyl.
Then 2
2
2
Methyl.
nitrobenzene.
Nitro.
nitrobenzene. Benzene with
One
NH2. Benzene with NH2.
Aniline, sir.
Aniline. Okay. Next one. This is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
1, 3, 5
3, 5.
trinitrobenzene.
Tetranitrobenzene.
1, 3, 5 trinitrobenzene. Very easy. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then
1,
1,
3.
1,
3,
3 dimethyl
dimethyl
benzene.
benzene.
Then benzene.
got it. Yes. Now open your camera. We have 2 to 3 minutes. Let's talk. Yes. Can you see me? Yes. So how was the class? Enjoyed? I cannot hear. Open your camera, guys. I just want to see you. Yes. Vignesh, how was
Yes,
the
sir.
IUPAC?
Good, sir.
Got every
At the
point?
last, yeah, sir. At the last, I've enjoyed, sir.
Okay. Navneet, Gayatri, how was the class? Enjoyed doing the IUPAC? No, I cannot hear you. Where are others?
Yes, sir.
Omkar and then Sri Ram
It's a
Bhaskar.
super.
Yes.
It's
So
nice, sir.
just rest. What do you have to do now? Tell me fast. What do you have to do?
Practice, sir.
Practice.
Practice. See,
Yes, sir.
organic is not tough. It's not easy as well. Okay. And IUPAC is a sort of thing, but you have to do it again and again, again. The more you'll do it again, the more you'll revise, the more you'll clear your concept. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to make the compound by your own choice. Okay. Now, what will the strategy? Just make benzene, add anything. Add anything, whatever you want, wherever you want the double bond, wherever you want the triple bond, wherever you want the side chain, any of the substituent, just add everything. Okay, make big compound. See, what I used to do in my classes, I learn a lot. Okay, I used to study a lot, like go with the books and books and books and books. I have ton of books. Okay, and what I experience is like we learn 100%, we remember only 70%. Okay, and when we went to exam, it was only 50%. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to increase that 50% to the 70%, then 80%, then 90%, then 100%. Okay, so that is totally based on the revision. Okay, just revise the class of IUPAC. I think we have approximately 6-7 classes of IUPAC only. Okay, so if we have given 6 to 7 hours, 7 to 8 hours for that IUPAC only, it means that this particular topic is quite important for 11th and 12th both, and for your competitions also. So just revise it as much as you can. Just make structures, and this Saturday, we'll have a test. And how was the test of last chemical bonding? I don't think that you have given the good exam just because you haven't revised.
No, sir. I have not attended the exam.
Why? See, uh, exam is not for the judgment.
No,
Exam
sir.
is meant for the practice. What happened? Why you have left?
Because my health is not good, sir, on those days.
Okay.
That's
Practice
why
makes man perfect.
See, uh, if I'll tell about the weather and all, okay, yeah, that was a condition I accept. But just look at the fan. It's close. We are having cold air now. I belong to Uttarakhand, so we are having cold and daily rain. So it's happening. Okay, so not a big deal. Just try. Okay, just ask sir. He will give you the questions. Just revise them. Okay, just do practice. We have you all have, I think, books. Okay, just do everything. Which book you are following? You are following that same one.
Singhage.
Yeah, That is good. Okay, just go for that book, take the examples. I've almost taken every example from the book. Okay, we have some examples more in the exercises, and if you want to take more book, you have KL Chug. We have you can go for that book also. That modern ABC. You'll get the online PDF. Okay, you'll get very detailed thing in that. We have Pradeep also, and if you want to go too much deep in the organic chemistry, okay, and you want to beat me in the organic chemistry or any of the teacher, let me tell you, just there's a book. I'll share a pic with that book. Okay, that book is quite costly, but if you learn through that particular book, you'll complete the organic portion till the of master's level, at least bachelor's, master's, you can do that. So that is very good book. I'm not getting the exact name of that particular book. I'll share you the link or any of the name. So just now I'll ask you the question in the next class. Okay. So be prepared with the things. First, the priority order. That is the main thing. If priority order you'll not remember, and you'll do the same thing. Someone is saying nitro to NH2, some saying NH2 to nitro. Okay, so these things will happen just because it's quite new for you and you are learning for this. And we are having more classes, a lot classes of IUPAC. So sometime it messes up, but just practice. It will be good. Okay. So have a good night. Okay, sweet dreams, and revise. See you tomorrow morning. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, students, again we have class tomorrow morning from 5 to 7. So we'll meet tomorrow morning from 5 to 7. Bye, everyone. Good night.
Bye, ma'am.